We are at Big Ridge State Park. Right now we're visiting the grist mill here. Landon's new snazzy hiking gear. This is the Norton grist mill. I grew up camping Big Ridge every weekend when I was little, so I know this area very well. It's just been many years since I've been here.
Not locked. Nope. Not locked.
Is it not locked? No, you can go in it. Awesome.
That's cool. Whoa. Does no one live here? Whoa, look at this.
No, it was a grist mill, so no one ever lived here.
Look at this. Look at that.
Water used to just come down from this, and then it would go into this creek here.
Yeah. But how?
It would spin around.
But it won't move right now.
No, I don't think it's been working in a long time. Just so you know, you park down at the grist mill,
I didn't see it.
and then you have to walk up through here to get to the trailhead.
I think it's that way or that way.
Well,
that
that's
way
the
or
Chestnut Ridge Trail, and this is the
that way. What?
Ghost House Loop Trail.
That one?
Yeah, that's what we're going to go on. We could not find this trail on All Trails app, so maybe we just missed it.
Yeah. Look.
But it's supposed to be an easy trail.
Hold on, let me see where we're going.
Okay, where are we going? Which direction?
Pointing that way, but not.
Well, let's go this way. We got to follow the trail.
It's on the right way.
Okay. I think the last time I hiked this trail, I was probably about 10 years old.
Yeah.
Here's some of that mossy stuff I love.
I love that stuff too.
Very muddy back through here, huh?
Yeah.
Ah, the sounds of nature. I think it was 43 degrees when we got out of the car, wasn't it? That's what?
47.
47?
48 degrees.
They're growing, aren't they? Wow. It's not even touching.
No, looks like it cracked right there.
It's suspended in air.
You can't take it. That's why you say the D from people taking this. I tried to save this whole world. I'm the one that saved the coral.
You're saving the coral.
Yeah.
Good. Teaching you well, aren't we?
You don't have to teach me. I'm just saving it for my whole life. What?
Oh, that's neat.
What? Who said that? Huh?
All right, let's go.
That's my echo.
Jibba jabba. Jibba jabba.
The twins can't see because I have these pants on.
The plants can't see him because he has those pants on.
Whoa. Whoa, what is that?
It's snowing bark.
I can climb over it. I wonder how.
Let Papa help you.
I got it. I got it. Got it. I think I got it.
Maybe you should probably put stuff in your bag.
I think so. Well. I got it.
That's... Okay.
I'm next.
I'm going over here.
I told you I got it.
Looks like the hardest way to go wrong.
Shouldn't be laughing at all.
It is not funny.
Meanwhile, he's hanging from his backpack.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
that's deer tracks. Look, right there. See them? The deer hooves.
Did the deer went that way? Let's go.
Maybe.
I bet we might see one
Huh?
if we're quiet enough.
Yeah, you have to be quiet. We might see some deer.
Be quiet. I want to see a deer.
Okay, well, we got to keep our eyes peeled for one.
Be really quiet. I want you to scare it off. Well, I need you to close point. Look at it. My girlfriend. That looks like big creatures that has a mouth. And when bite on it, it'll like go out and eat it up, right?
Yep.
Keep your eyes peeled for a deer.
Good job.
What's that?
Yeah, I don't know if we can get through this.
Let's see.
We might have to go around it and then back on the trail.
Yep.
Where's
All
that?
right,
This way and around.
come on, let's go this way and around.
Just like this.
Look. We're around it.
Yeah, we went all the way around it. Look how big it is coming out of the roots down there. Look, there's the trailhead.
Yes.
The Big Valley Trail goes that way, and the Ghost House Trail goes left.
That way?
Yes.
Yep, the
Let's
ghost house
go.
site.
Not too much longer.
Can I check this?
Yeah, you can check it.
We'll stop. I think we're going the right way. So this is where the ghosts live?
Well, this is what's probably
Wow.
known to be haunted, right in here.
Yeah.
One of the sites, anyway. This is the home site of Maston Hutchison's grandson, George Jones. This is one of the houses connected to the local ghost stories. The nearby Hutchison family home was also believed to be haunted.
We need to get to the cemetery. We need to get to the cemetery.
We'll get to it.
Let's go to the cemetery. Is the cemetery that way?
Yes.
It says we're heading that way.
See that fence right there?
Yeah,
I bet that's the cemetery. What do you think?
I think so too. Let's go check it. Yep. Cemetery.
Yes, it is. This is Norton Cemetery, and this cemetery is the final resting place for the families that lived along this ridge and the hollows of each side. This is cemetery. See, it's a typo. This cemetery has marked burials from 1907 until 1926. Mason Hutchison, the subject of many local legends, is buried here along with his wife and some of his descendants.
This is spooky.
They say that if you take a picture here, sometimes you can see the outline of the ghosts.
I want to see it. We can.
I remember when I was little, these sunken-in graves were so creepy to me.
A lot of people have been here to this cemetery. Is this real?
Yeah, they're real. Don't.
They're very real.
Watch it. Sorry about that.
Where do you think this is going to take us?
I don't know. I don't know. If I can get my comments, I know where we're going.
Uh-oh. Looks like the lake bank down there.
This?
No, way down there. Do you see it?
Yeah.
See that squirrel?
No, it's gone.
So Snodderly Cemetery is that way. Group Camp Road is that way.
House. It says ghost house.
Yeah, but that was up that way. That's what we were just on. Uh-oh, look at this, Landon.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Let me go first. I had to walk on that stick, right?
well, you think you need some help here?
Yeah.
All right.
I need cross this thing. But how?
Papa's gonna help you.
Your turn, Bunny.
You think I can make it over?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yes! Yay!
High five. Yay.
Hooray! That was awesome.
I think they should have put this over that.
Right?
That was the one that made us across it.
Okay, I think this. Ow! Ow!
Oh, thorns. Ow.
Yeah, I think this was, or maybe when the lake is up. I don't know.
That's fun crossing that log.
That's lower.
Yeah, weird. There's another bridge, it looks like over here.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, I've done that, everyone.
It looks new.
It is.
This does look new.
I built it.
You built it? Okay.
You know how? I was an engine 78 900 and I built it this bridge. It takes me for ages to build it.
Wow.
Ages.
I think we're probably on the lake trail now, aren't we?
Are we?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Well, how do I do this? This is pretty.
It's very pretty.
What? How'd they cut that thing? It's huge.
Came over here with a chainsaw.
We need to stay on the trail so we don't get lost.
That's right.
If we do get lost, we'll need to blow my whistle, right? Right, Bunny?
That's right. Snotterly Cemetery.
Hey, there's no people in this cemetery. Is there not?
I don't know. We'll see. I see the sign for it right up here.
Yeah.
Snotterly Cemetery. Some of the earliest local settlers are buried in this family cemetery. Tombstones still stand from the 1800s.
Wow, this is nice up here. Look at how
It goes all the way back through here.
Yep.
Where would it take us?
I don't think that's a trail up through there.
No.
This is just the cemetery part.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It's very slippery.
Yeah. Bend your knees. Lean back a little bit.
Like this?
Yep.
Yep. Sideways.
I am sideways.
There you go. You got it. You got it.
Yep, slip a little bit.
Yep. All right.
But it's okay if you slip a little bit. And made it down to the track.
And just like that.
How am I going to get around that tree?
That tree's in the water.
What tree?
Over there? Is that what you're talking about?
No, this tree.
We'll go around it. Silly.
Well, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well, this is crazy.
Now we're going to have to go off-road that way, right?
It looks fresh.
You all are going to go all the way up there?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, this is fresh. You can smell it. I went that way. They went the long way. Because I went the short way. I went through the trees.
All right, we're going to go straight right here. Here, come right here. I'll help you. Hold on to that. Go sideways. There you go. Now go sideways.
I'm gonna slide
All right.
on
get
my
low.
bike.
Okay.
Whee! Whoa!
How dirty did your butt get? Oh!
What kind of bridge is this?
Scary one.
Why is it scary?
There's no rails. Another big one that's fallen.
Yeah.
That's the dam.
That's a bad one.
No. That's a different kind of dam.
Wait, that bridge
Yeah.
is a dam. Is that what he said, Barney? It had brakes. Brakes. I thought we were going to go across it, and I thought there was brakes not letting us go. I thought that, but nope. How funny is that?
Pretty funny.
I'm just making jokes. And both gonna go across.
Whoa. That's kind of scary, huh?
I'm not gonna
For
jump
sure.
in that. It would be scary because it goes way down there, right? Whoa, some more. I'm just gonna jump in. Just kidding. I'm not trying to scare you.
Well, don't scare me like that.
What do you look at?
See, Big Ridge Dam. That's what we just went across.
This?
Yep.
Well, we definitely ended up going more than what was it, 0.4 miles or 0.6 miles?
Well, we kept on going on different trails.
Yeah. There's a little rest stop up here.
It's a peace sign.
What?
Peace sign. Little baby bamboos.
Right here?
This will be cool when it grows up.
Wow. That's awesome. How
See?
big bamboo? Is this bamboo real?
Whew. Definitely feel the burn on this one, don't you?
I almost lit.
Look how high we are now. So we can see all the animals from up here, if there was any.
Yeah, I think we're getting close to the end. You see a parking lot?
Which way is it?
Down here.
Well, we are definitely at the end now.
Where's the park?
It's over there. We've got to walk through this parking lot and then to the right. And then there'll be a playground for you to play on.
A big one.
That was pretty big.
The playground?
See it through there.
I see it now. I see it. I see it. I see it now. I see it now. I see it. I can't wait. Hey, am I good hiker?
You are. You're a very good hiker. We're so proud of you. We did 3.42 miles.
And this 5-year-old did it no problem.
Please subscribe. Oh, no. I'm out.